Here's how to set up our pergola heaters. Slide the mounting bracket into the space provided on the back of the heater and screw in tightly. Unclip the power extension lead connector and choose which support beam of your pergola you would like the heater to be on. Hook the bracket over the edge of the gutter and tighten using the twist screw at the back. You can maneuver the bracket to your preferred angle using the Allen key provided. Run the cable along the inside of the beam and thread the power lead inside the pergola leg. Pull it out from the base and connect it to the other part of the cable. You can now plug this into your mains power and switch on. Tilt the light to your desired position and turn the heater on at the switch. You can use your remote control to control the heat and light of your heater. Alternatively, scan the QR code found in your instruction manual and download the Smart Life app to control your heater from your phone. You can even link your heater to smart devices such as Google Home or Apple HomePod. Once set up, you can enjoy your pergola heater all year long. If you have any issues, feel free to get in touch with our friendly customer services team on 0330 808 1744. We hope you enjoy your pergola heater.